What is up, guys? We got a cool package in from BAM Shifts today. We are going to end up replacing that shift knob with what is inside this box. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open and I'll show you guys what all is inside. So we crack this thing open and we are greeted right away with this awesome thank you card. Looks like maybe even like a little packet. We're going to open this up in a second. Got a sticker in here. This is our coin. So this is going to sit on the top. Very cool. We got our adapter and even an Allen key. Awesome. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Dang, that is awesome. So this is the hybrid tall boy shift knob. What this is inside here, this beautifully powder coated center portion here. This is actually a core for the shift knob, and this outer piece, which is made of bamboo, this is the Cosmic Team. Really cool. Thought this would look great in our Meowta. Basically this slides over this. So what I'll do is I'll take this apart real quick and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. You've got your core right here. Now this is hefty. It has got some weight and it is nice. Right here, this is a sleeve, which is super cool. It looks like it's made out of bamboo. Very cool. Anyway, you can actually order just replacement sleeves for your hybrid knob. So if I want to change whatever the outer skin is, I can just order one up and I'll have a different shift knob without having to order a whole new core. Now if I want to go with a shorter one, I can order a short core, which would be sweet. And then you can change the upper cap that's here, which is inside this bag. Let's go ahead and get it open. So inside that bag, you get an Allen key, which is awesome. So you never have to look for one of those. You get this really cool top piece. So this coin goes on top. It's actually magnetic, which is awesome. You just pop it right on top here. Actually, let's go ahead and get this thing open. So the cool thing about this coin is that you can see right here that there is a little piece. I assume that is for when it's in here. Man, it just snapped right in there. I think you just push that part down and you can take it out. Oh, that is super cool actually. So very cool. Let's get this thing completely assembled and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like completely assembled. It is awesome. I cannot wait to see this thing in the Meowta. Inside that bag, you also got our adapter right here. So they give you an option to select whichever size you need for our ISR short throw shifter that's in the Meowta. We are running a 10 by 125, and they even give you a little lock nut, which is really cool. And then you get this dope sticker, which we will have to go ahead and put back here somewhere. Let's see. Maybe just kick it sideways. That'd be kind of cool. Like bam, like that. Let's go ahead and put that on there. Yeah, that looks pretty good right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unscrewed. All right. Now this shift knob would have been really cool to run. It is actually just a beer tap with a 16 millimeter socket glued down in here for weight. But we're not going to need to run that anymore because we are going to be running this. So I'm going to go ahead and get this adapter put in to our shift knob, and then I will put our lock nut on. All right, so got the lock nut all the way down at the bottom for now. Let's go ahead and tighten that up. And let's get our shift knob on there. This thing is so easy to install. It's going to look awesome. Oh, I gotta line up the, there we go. So let's see, I want it to be like this, and then we can go ahead and just adjust our lock nut here on the bottom until we get right where we want to be. I think I want the logo to face back like this. So I think that's where we'll set it. Perfect. Dang, that looks sick. Love this top cap. Like I said, it's really easy. You just push down and then it picks up the corner here. See that? Just pick it right up. Very cool. So that is our BAM shift knob install. This is their tall boy. I got it in pink for my center portion, but they have a bunch of colors. Definitely recommend checking them out. Like I said, guys, go check it out, bamshifts.com. Check them out on Facebook and Instagram. Here's a QR code. Definitely recommend it, guys. Really cool stuff on there. I mean, I love how this looks. I'm actually already ordering 2 extra sleeves. I got 2 different styles coming, so I can change it up anytime I want. And I really like the pink in here. It's going to go really well with the rest of our interior mods. Absolutely. Probably one of the coolest shift knobs I've ever had. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this was a little bit of a quicker one, but just a fun shift knob install. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.